Hi again, little explorer. I'm Kip the Koala. Welcome back to our ABC adventure. Today, we're learning letters F to J. Let's go. Let's say F. F is for fish. Fish swim fast and blow little bubbles. Fantastic work. Let's say G. G is for giraffe. Giraffes are tall and gentle with super long necks. Great going. Let's say H. H is for horse. Horses love to gallop fast. Hold on tight. That was awesome. Let's say I. I is for ice cream. Cold, creamy, and delicious. Incredible job. Let's say J. J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish float and wiggle deep in the ocean. Just brilliant. You did it. You learned letters F, G, H, I, and J. Give yourself a big clap and a happy dance. Next time, we'll keep going with more letters and more fun.